Welcome to the Challenge Me series. Hi guys, it's me Nadia from Learning on the Go. Today, we have a new challenge. We're gonna try to draw a rabbit or a bunny and color it with weird colors that we normally don't see on a bunny's fur, like pink or green or even orange. So let's get started. So first we're gonna start by drawing the head. So we're gonna draw a U shape. This, and then closing it to draw the ears. So this is how it's gonna look. Let me just fix it and make it a little bit round. This. Okay, and then we're gonna draw like, you know how there's fur and stuff like that? Maybe out of it. And from the side. Okay, then we're gonna draw the ears. Maybe like that. Then the other ear. Like that. So that looks pretty good. And then we're gonna draw the eyes. So I'm gonna draw curve. Let me just make it not that curvy, like maybe like this. Yeah, and then same for the other side. I'm gonna draw the lashes here. Then so then we're gonna draw the nose. Oh, cute nose. If you want it, you can make it a heart. And then the whiskers. And then the mouth. Okay, so it's gonna be sitting down. Let's say it's a he, the rabbit is a she, I mean. And then it's gonna be sitting down. Holding, say carrot. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw this temporarily. So this is the circles. watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you next time with the Challenge Me series.